everybody, GamesPlays here today, and today we're back with another, Horizon 2 video, and so yeah, my last video was just a little intro of me trying it so far, but no, ooh, let's do a stunt thing, whatever this is. It says, a stunt thing, it's not where I actually thought that you had to do stunts. I was like, oh, that sounds awesome, but literally all you have to do is try to get caught doing a lost, like going like 70 miles per hour, 80, 90, maybe even 100. That'll be when I actually get better cars. And my last video, I had to make it 70 miles per hour. That was really hard to do anyways. So let's hear Blazes Sabira, Wax 11. Oh, wait, no. Wait, there's different things? Oh, wait. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. In the demo version, this is your first car. But I have to race to the destination? Oh. Well, I could do that. This car isn't the best, but it'll work. Slowly going. I'm just driving. I don't want to go too fast. Oh, actually, we're going fast. Oh, God. The driving on this is kind of weird, but this game is fun, guys. It's pretty awesome. They say to go slow, but I don't go slow. But I'm going 100 and almost 15. 110 right now. Oh my God. This car's pretty fast. But oh, now we're not going that fast. We're only going 80 miles per hour. That's actually really fast. Almost 90. 90. Yes, we made it to 95. Dang it, we're back at 90. 96, 90. Oh, 100. Here we go, here we go. We're almost back to where we were. So apparently we're supposed to be racing. Makes no sense. First off, why are we racing? I thought we were supposed to be caught doing like 50, 60 or something miles per hour. But no, we have to race to the finish line. And the finish line's so far away, of course. But we're going to try to get a new car. I'm going to see what car we first want to buy with our money. And if Smith Games is watching this video, you should check out his channel. It's Smith, and then there's space in between the games. And yeah, so in his last video, he said that not his last video, in his first GTA 5 online video, he said that houses, like apartments or anything, don't matter. Well, houses really do matter a lot. Like, at first, I thought they didn't matter. That's how I felt. Like, I was like, what? It's just wasting money. Houses don't matter at all. But they do, apparently. That's where you get to do all your missions, heist. Like, I need a better house so I can do better heists. And also, cars really do matter, so you get away from people. But we're about to finish it. Try again. You didn't make it. Kind of looks like I did make it, though. Whatever, I'm not doing this again. But there's no offense. It just doesn't make any sense. Oh my God. Alright. Let's go. Oh wait, can't drive. What? Alright, I'm gonna show you. What? Are those cameras? Don't tell me that the police are gonna come after me. Oh my God, I got scared for a second. I was like, no, not the police. Alright, so buy cars. So the one I'm thinking of saving up for. Look at the cars I can afford. I can afford all of these ones. That one looks pretty cool. I want one that's fast and furious. Look at this one though. I don't know which one. Another BMW. Wait, isn't this one I own? No. But these cars are... Alright. So, ooh, we got perks. Yes, unlock perk. Oh wait, what are perks? Can you guys please tell me in the description down below? I don't even know what they are. Your clean streak and clean star scores are increased by... Earn 25 more credits for completing. What? Your ghost state level. Oh, those skill points things. Showcase events. Oh, that's cool. Alright, let's go. I kind of want to drive. Let's go there. Alright, and I guess I'll see you guys when I'm there. Alright, my driving skills are on point today, guys. Not really. Alright, but we made it. Enter race. Yeah, let's do this race. I don't know, but we have to get a new car. And come on. Come on. Festival circuit. Woo, look at my sucky car, guys. Here we go. Get ready, set, go. Let's go. I don't know how far the race is, but come on, we have to cut these people off. We have to not... Oh. This person is doing something. Come on. Come on, move. I need to win this race. Oh, you opened a spot. Thank you. Woo, I'm in third place already. Alright. So we have to turn right here, I think. Yep. Alright, when these cars slow down, I need to pass them. Oh my god, I'm going so fast. I'm going 127. Oh, for a second I was. Yes. Drift! Woo! First place. Later. Watch, they're gonna catch up. Oh god. Go. Okay. Come on. I don't care. Cut. I missed it. No, I'm in 7th place. I don't want to be in 7th. No, cutting you off. Okay, I need to go faster. Okay, come on. Yes, I'm in 2nd place again. I feel like I'm already gonna fail. And there it goes. Yes, I'm still in 5th place though. Not bad. Come on, guys, this race is insane. Look at those guys back there. Come on. Keep it going. Spin them out. Move. Yes. Woo! Here we go. Oh my god, I'm in 1st place. Come on, come on. Come on. Here's the ending. Here it is. Go fast. Go fast. Woo! Wait, that was not the end. Oh no. But I almost won 140 right there. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Tokyo Drift. And then... Wait, what do we do? Oh. Oh my god, what lap are we on? Oh wait, it says right there, lap 3. Yes, don't mess it up again. 3. Oh wait, no, it's not where we have to drift. We're almost 130. Oh god. What? I missed a checkpoint? Okay, just let it go. No, 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 no. Oh, thank you. 6th place again? Oh my god, this is where we have to drift. Not the best drift. Not even. Okay, just keep on going. Drift some more. And then, come on, I don't want to fail the last lap. Here's the finish line. Here's the finish line. No, don't spin out. Come on, come on, come on. I need to go faster than this guy. Come on. This is so close. This is so close. Yes, 4th place. Not the best, but I got 4th place. That's a really long race. Continue. Let's see. Cash rewarded. Ooh, that's a lot. Ooh. Yeah. How much? Oh my god, almost level 4. Yay. Oh my god, I'm gonna race this guy. And I guess I'll be back when I'm done racing him. Alright, I got 1st place. Let's go. Okay, wait. Oh, I think I have enough money for a new car. Let's see. Wait, what's this? Oh. And it's, okay. Let's see. All the affordable cars. All these cars suck. Well, I'll get a little van. Not getting that though. Ooh. Got a truck. Got a lot of sports cars though. Like muscle sports. Huh. I don't know what car. First I thought it was a Bugatti. I was like, what? I can afford that already? Ooh. I think this is the car I wanted to save up for.
What car?
And then,
Subaru?
what the heck is this? The whole entire front of it looks like it's gone. Alright, I gotta afford a lot of cars. Oh, I gotta get a Mustang.
What is it that you want?
Wait, what the heck is this? That looks cool though.
Hey,
It's
you
the
can afford
Viper.
it. You can afford it.
Should I get the Viper? Wait, which one's faster? Oh wait, the Mustangs are here. Oh yeah, the Viper. I'm getting it.
You only
What
have
the heck? I
like
just
$200-something left.
wait. As soon as you buy it, the thing just goes like this.
Have you bought a car?
No. Oh, that looks sick. All right, let's see here. So stripes, I want. Buy. Purchase car. Yes, I want to purchase it. Apparently, I didn't get to buy it. Continue shopping. No. Achievement unlocked. The new car smell. Return to pause menu. Alright, you guys ready? Let's try out my new car. Come on. Oh, this thing looks kind of. Let's try it. We got a Viper. I thought about getting the Mustang, but I think this is faster. I'm kind of poor, but this thing's nice. You guys have to admit. Woo! Tokyo Drift. turn around. Let's go. So, let's see how this car goes. See how fast it can go. It seems like it go pretty fast. Oh my god. This thing is fast and furious. Oh my god. 150. 160. Oh god. Oh god, we're about to crash. Oh my god. Oh god. Don't ask your family what just happened. Alright. So, but I hope you guys all enjoyed this Horizon 2 video. My new car. This car is cool. I was like, because I love the Mustang. Mustang, like, is like one of my favorite cars in the world. One of them. And also, I like the Bugatti Super Sport. Tons of things, but yeah, my car doesn't look that image. But we're going to play GTA 5 video next. That made no sense, but I guess I'll see you guys in the GTA 5 video. And later.